How to show the number row keys above your keyboard, as well as change the number pad position in the alternate part of your keyboard, and also show arrow keys, which is all part of the Microsoft SwiftKey keyboard with the late 2025 update. Let's get started. So you're about to start typing and your keyboard pops up like this here, and you want to see these arrow keys, and you also want to see the number rows up here. So for them to show, you'll tap on these three dots right here at the top right. Then go to where it says settings. As you're in the main settings section, go to where it says layout and keys. From this section here, you'll be able to turn on the number row keys. And what I like about the Microsoft SwiftKey keyboard, you have that preview here, which allows you to see what you're doing. So if it's off, you'll notice there is no number rows, but if you turn it on, you'll now see the number rows here. Next up is the position of the number in the one where it has all the number pads here. So what I'm talking about, if you go here where it says 1, 2, 3, you'll see that the number pad is on the right side. And by going into this here, if I put it to the top, they will now appear to the top and of course to the left. And it really depends on where you want it to be if you make use of this feature here. And going back to the letters here now, you'll notice I have these arrow keys down here. So for these to show, you want to turn on the one that says arrow keys. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this on and off so you can see what I'm talking about. And as I turn it off, you'll notice how the keyboard doesn't show the arrows to the bottom. But when I turn it back on, it's going to show there. And if you've been looking for these features, like and sub.